The purpose of the course is to help you understand what is a practicing homeopath to become a successful practicing homeopath. At the end of this course, you will learn the following. Definition. What they do. Qualifications. Difference from a lay homeopath. About Dr. Samual Hahnemann. Let us look at the definition of practicing homeopath. A practicing homeopath is someone who actively sees patients, clients, and uses homeopathic remedies to treat various acute and chronic conditions, based on the principle of like cures like and individualized treatment. What do the practicing homeopaths do? What do you think? There are 4 key things they do. Let us look at them one by one. First is case-taking. They conduct detailed consultations, exploring not only physical symptoms but also emotional, mental, and lifestyle aspects. Second is remedy selection where, based on the patient's unique symptom profile, they prescribe a remedy prepared in minute doses from natural substances like plants, minerals, or animal products. Third thing they do is patient follow-up where they track progress, adjust remedies or potencies, and guide patients through their healing process. Last thing they do is education and lifestyle guidance where many also advise on nutrition, stress management, and holistic well-being. What qualifications do they need to have? It varies by countries. In some countries, e.g., India, parts of Europe, Latin America, homeopathy is regulated, and a practicing homeopath may hold a degree such as BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. In other places, e.g., US, Australia, UK, regulation is looser, and practitioners may complete diploma or certification programs in homeopathy. How is a practicing homeopath different from a lay homeopath? Practicing homeopaths are professionally trained, actively treating patients, whereas lay homeopath may know about homeopathy but doesn't consult patients in a professional capacity. Let us now look at what did Dr. Samual Hahnemann do as a practicing homeopath. Dr. Samual Hahnemann, 1755 to 1843, the founder of homeopathy, worked as a practicing physician and homeopath after growing dissatisfied with the harsh medical methods of his time, like bloodletting and purging. As a practicing homeopath, he developed the principle of like cures like. Through experiments known as provings, he observed that substances causing symptoms in healthy people could cure similar symptoms in the sick. Dr. Hahnemann conducted detailed case-taking where he carefully studied each patient's physical, mental, and emotional symptoms to select highly individualized remedies. He prepared remedies in minute doses when he introduced potentization, serial dilution with succussion, to enhance healing power while minimizing toxicity. Dr. Hahnemann treated patients with gentleness. Unlike the aggressive medicine of his era, his approach was holistic and focused on restoring balance and vital force. He also documented cases and outcomes. He published his findings in works like The Organon of Medicine and Case Records, laying the foundation for homeopathy as a system. In short, as a practicing homeopath, Hahnemann pioneered a gentler, individualized, and systematic method of healing that contrasted sharply with conventional medicine of his time. So, what do we do in next lecture? Let us talk about the critical success factors to become a practicing homeopath. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and learning new things. Please do download the PDF file to look at the lecture as needed and let me know of any help needed.